Oh, so bright. Ah. Hey, what's going on today, guys? So, good news. We got more shipment. Oh my god, it's so bright. I'm gonna change this camera angle. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Good news. We got more shipment stuff right here. The lighting's really bad in this garage, but I'm out here right now. And you guys are gonna be really excited for this, because I'm really excited for this. We're gonna open the box up. There should be a couple of different pieces, 2 big pieces, so we'll see what it is. Alright, so there's a lot of bubble pocket things in there, but it's on the ground now, so I'm gonna cut it open and I'll get back to you guys when the thing's open and you can see the whole thing. Alright guys, so there you go. This is what it is. A new front bumper. Yes. So if you guys don't know, this is the R400 front bumper. It is also, well, not it is, but there is also more. So can open that up later, but for right now, let's go ahead and mock it up onto the car, just see how it looks. Alright guys, so there's a little bit of a mock-up of what it's gonna look like. Not sure what I'm gonna do yet. It's fiberglass, so there's gonna be a lot of work that needs to be done. You can see the grill and everything's still open and stuff. It's kind of cool though, but just, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with everything yet. So there you go. Boom. They did give me vents and stuff, or at least one so far. I only opened one box. But right now I'm trying to figure out how to mount this thing because they didn't really give you like holes to do it. And it's fiberglass, so it's super fragile. And like where the mounting points is, like I did put holes in them and then put the hardware into it. And it's kind of sketch. Like I feel like it's just gonna like rip off. And it's a pretty expensive kit. I don't want that happening, so I'm not 100% sure what's gonna go on right now, but I'm gonna fiddle around with this some more and see what's going on with it. So this is what I'm talking about. Like this right here, like this is right here is pretty darn thin, and like I'm not sure right here. Like this is gonna be hold this whole thing up. Same thing on this side. There's 2 of them. 1, 2. You can see it's starting to have some stress right here, and that's kind of worrying me a little bit. So this tab thing isn't even like down all the way like it's supposed to be. I'm guessing that's what that's for, is to kind of help even more. But yeah, so far it's kind of being sketch, but I'm gonna fiddle it some more, see what happens. Alright, here's another thing over here, is that you can't really see. Let me put on my flashlight. Alright, look at this. Like, so this is my flare, right? My fender flare. This is the bumper, and there's no holes anywhere. Absolutely none, no holes anywhere. So I'm gonna have to tap a hole for the fender liner, and I'm gonna have to tap a hole somewhere so I can put it into that hole right there. But it's very interesting, this is. Alright guys, so I think I'm just gonna drill a hole through the bumper to make like a mounting. Oh my god, I hate being upside down right now, but yeah, to make like a mounting point for it, and then mounting it from there for now. So I have like 4 mounting points. Yeah, not really sure, but we'll just try it to see what happens. Okay, we're gonna try to put the bumper back again. For now, you guys can't see it, but I'll just give me a second. So again, here's what it looks like right now. I'm gonna mount the side like I said I was gonna do. I think it's gonna make a hole for the left, the right side, the passenger side. We'll see how it works on the driver's side though, real quick. So, all right, so the bumper is back on for now. I have the two mounts like I said over there. I showed you guys before. I drilled the one hole on the driver's side to see if I can mount it from there because that's where the fender is mounted as well. And then I think I still need to drill a hole for this side, and then we'll see from there. All right, guys, so that side is mounted, as you guys can see. Boom, it's pushed up. It's actually a temporary thing. You guys can probably figure out what I used to put that there for now. And let's do the other side. All right, you guys, so here's a good look at the full front bumper. Of course, you know, my grills and stuff aren't in yet. It is mocked up and sitting pretty nicely, to be honest with you. Let's see, you guys can see it kind of sits in here pretty nicely. I mean the fitment's a little iffy, but like right here it's a little iffy here and here, but nothing a little bit of, you know, manhandling can't fix, you know, so that's not bad. Give you guys a side profile view of it. Fitment was a little bit wonky, and like you guys can see on this side, I mean, this is an aftermarket front bumper now, and this is an aftermarket front fender, so it might be different if you had the stock ones. However, with my tires, I have to actually kind of shave the inside of this, and I'm probably gonna do that right now. Again, I gotta figure out how to mount this better because I really don't like how it mounts. It's kind of a little sketchy how it mounts, in my opinion. So I don't know, maybe that's just how bumpers are. I was looking at my OEM ones, and that's made out of plastic though, so you know that. So that didn't work as nicely as I thought it was going to, so we're gonna try it again, but with sander. Still hitting, you guys can see that? Still hitting right there. Totally forgot to record, but cut this little tiny notch right here. See if it clears, but hope so, but maybe not. Dang, it's still hitting a little slightly right there. Okay. All right, recut it. Let's try it again. Just a little bit. I think it's good though, because it'll move out of the way. And then I'll just, yeah, I think it'll be fine. Telling you guys earlier, see this? Nothing, no, because this right here is easier. I don't know. I was thinking maybe the whole bumper was shifted over, you know, but it just doesn't look like it's shifted over or anything like that. Everything looks pretty much aligned. So much stuff in the air you guys can see on the camera. But yeah, I mean, everything looks like it's lined up and stuff like that. So I don't know why this side is, you know, kind of whacked out, but it's all right. We'll get used to it. Maybe it'll rub down or something like that. I did nick a little. Look at that. I'm so dumb. I never have curb rash, but of course, when I take my angle grinder close to it, don't angle grind with the wheel on. Stupid idea, but whatever. It's a quick thing. Okay, anyways, forgot to mention, I don't think ECS sent me everything because I'm supposed to get side skirts and I was going to put them on today. Had everything ready. My kit was like kind of off over there on the side. Same thing up here. Nope, they didn't send them. So I don't know. The bumper's going to come later because we're going to have exhaust for that. Because like, you know, the R400 bumper needs the dual exit like center, so gotta wait for that. Anywho, we're gonna do a cinematic and go. Guys have it. I hope you guys like that little clip. See you guys next time on the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for everybody who subscribed so far, and see you guys on the next video.